5 Airplane Suitcase Travel 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Airline Approved Carry-On Travel Backpack with Packing Cubes. Say goodbye to travel stress with our Airline Approved Carry-On Travel Backpack with Packing Cubes. Designed for the savvy traveler, this 40L powerhouse effortlessly meets personal item restrictions for major airlines like Spirit and Frontier, fitting perfectly under your seat or in the overhead. Its 90 to 180-degree opening breezes through security, while the padded compartments cradle your 17-inch laptop and iPad. Stay impeccably organized with multiple pockets and 3 included packing cubes, even a dedicated wet pocket for toiletries. Crafted for comfort with breathable shoulder straps and built to last with explosion-proof YKK zippers, it's versatile enough for a weekend getaway or a business trip. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 4. Airplane Wine and Liquor Case. Finally, travel with your cherished wines and spirits without a worry. Our patented airplane wine and liquor case is expertly engineered for ultimate peace of mind. Safely transport up to 12 bottles, cradled by 360 degrees foam inserts, secured with burst straps, and a TSA-approved lock. We've meticulously designed it to weigh just 49.4 pounds when fully loaded, ensuring you stay comfortably under airline check-in limits, no more surprise fees. Beyond beverages, its removable inserts instantly convert it into spacious, organized luggage with zippered compartments for clothes. Glide through any terminal effortlessly thanks to multi-directional 360 degrees wheels. Plus, its stylish, unique matte finish ensures you always travel in sophisticated style. Make a statement, not a spill. Number 3. Waterproof Travel Laptop Carry-On Backpack. Meet your ultimate travel companion, the Waterproof Travel Laptop Carry-On Backpack. Designed for seamless adventures, this expandable bag effortlessly meets IATA carry-on limits, transforming from a slim profile to a spacious 18.9 by 13.8 by 9.8 inches to fit all your essentials, from laptops to shoes. Breeze through airport security with its TSA-friendly 180-degree opening and easily carry it like a suitcase using the convenient top and side handles. Stay perfectly organized on the go with multiple compartments, including a dedicated wet pocket for toiletries. Crafted from durable, waterproof materials, your belongings are always protected. Plus, experience all-day comfort with thick padded straps and a breathable back, while an anti-theft pocket keeps valuables secure. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 2. Lightweight Sage Green Underseat Spinner Carry-On. Discover your ultimate travel companion, the lightweight Sage Green Underseat Spinner Carry-On. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, this bag is engineered to fit perfectly under most major U.S. airline seats, allowing you to breeze through airports and avoid checked bag fees. Its elegant 17.8 by 13.7 by 7.8-inch design in chic sage green is compact yet surprisingly spacious for all your short trip essentials. Navigate effortlessly with 8 smooth spinner wheels and an adjustable telescopic handle. Smart interior organization includes a dedicated 13.3-inch laptop sleeve, quick access pockets, and a convenient side port for on-the-go phone charging. Perfect for weekend getaways, business trips, or spontaneous adventures, it can be carried solo or stacked on larger luggage. Travel smarter, in style and convenience. Number 1. Underseat Carry-On Suitcase with Wheels. Say goodbye to baggage claim hassles with our Underseat Carry-On Suitcase. Designed for the modern traveler, its compact 16-inch size is airline approved, fitting perfectly under most seats to save you time and fees. Glide effortlessly through airports thanks to smooth rolling wheels and a robust, wobble-free handle, ensuring seamless maneuverability. Inside, a smart 25L main compartment, dedicated padded 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, and multiple exterior pockets keep everything from clothes to tech organized and easily accessible. Travel with peace of mind knowing your belongings are safe, thanks to lockable zippers and an included combination lock. Crafted from premium, stain-resistant polyester with a convenient luggage strap, this durable companion is your perfect partner for stress-free short trips, business travel, or weekend getaways. So, that sums up my 5 airplane suitcase travel. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.